Today I'm going to show you how to remove a wheel well liner, also known as a fender liner or wheel arch liner. Step 1 is to prepare the vehicle by parking it on a level surface and engaging the parking brake for safety. You don't want your vehicle rolling away from you. Step 2. You need to access the wheel well by turning the steering wheel to gain better access to the area you'll be working on. In my case, I removed the wheel entirely so I won't have to work in a tight space. Step 3. Locate the fasteners securing the wheel well liner in place. These may include screws, bolts, clips, or plastic rivets. Step 4. Using the appropriate tools, carefully remove the fasteners holding the wheel well liner in place. Be sure to keep track of the different types and sizes of fasteners as you remove them. Step 5. Gently pull the wheel well liner away from the vehicle once all the fasteners are removed. Be mindful of any electrical connectors, hoses, or wires that may be attached to the liner. In my case, I ran over a piece of rubber on the highway and it tore passenger front bumper up bad. I had to stitch it back together and order a new fog light assembly. It also ripped one of the speed sensor connectors that enables my ABS traction control. Right now you are seeing me splice a connector I cut off another car in a wreck yard. Step 6. Inspect the wheel well liner for damage or signs of wear. Clean the area behind the liner and remove any debris or dirt buildup. As you can see, my liner is torn in half, revealing sensitive wiring. Look who decided to visit. This street cat is so friendly. Step 7. If replacing the wheel well liner, align the new liner with the mounting points on the vehicle. Reattach any electrical connectors or hoses as necessary. Step 8. Secure the new liner in place using the fasteners you removed earlier. Ensure that it does not interfere with any moving parts or components. Be careful with those plastic screws, it's easy to strip them. Step 9. Before driving the vehicle, test the wheel well liner to ensure that it is securely attached and functioning properly. And there you have it. That's how you remove a wheel well liner. Don't forget to subscribe to Yellow POV for more automotive tutorials and tips.